Honda V3R 900 is a prototype concept motorcycle showcased at EICMA 2025, featuring the world's first liquid-cooled 900 cubic centimeters V3 engine with an electronic compressor. The prototype is designed to deliver the performance of a 1,200 cubic centimeters motorcycle, but with a smaller, lighter, and more efficient engine, combining extreme riding sensations with a sense of security. Key features: engine, 900 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V3 engine with an electrically controlled compressor for instant torque. Concept: non-rail roller coaster, offering a combination of extreme riding sensation and safety. Performance: designed to deliver performance equivalent to a 1,200 cubic centimeters engine, but with greater compactness and efficiency. Design: features asymmetrical side fairings and a new wing design emblem. Objective: Honda is developing the V3R 900 e-compressor for mass production as a model that will mark a new milestone and deliver a unique riding experience.